All right, guys, today we've got to talk because it looks like the economy could be headed toward a recession. GDP growth just dropped dramatically from 4% to negative territory, and the signs aren't looking good. Even big names like Morgan Creek Capital's Mark Yusko think a short recession could hit us in 2025. But here's the thing. Yusko also believes this downturn could end up being massively bullish for Bitcoin. Why? Because the government's playbook during recessions is always the same: slash interest rates, pump tons of cash into the economy, and basically print more dollars. And as we know, when they do that, Bitcoin tends to skyrocket because it's measured in dollars, and dollars become less valuable. Now, this isn't just speculation. Major banks and economic indicators are showing the same warning signs. The yield curve inverted again, consumer confidence dropped sharply in February, and even prediction markets now give a recession about a 40% chance this year, up significantly in just the last few weeks. But it's not all doom and gloom. U.S. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent has already signaled that interest rates might come down soon because the U.S. government literally can't afford the current debt payments. At the same time, China is pumping billions into its banks to prevent an economic collapse. All this extra cash flooding the global market, it's a recipe for crypto and tech stocks to explode higher. Mark Yusko says it's simple economics. He calls it the money supply game. Basically, as governments print more money, they devalue the dollars in your pocket. Think about it. Your house didn't get 50% nicer over the last 2 years, your dollars just lost buying power. Bitcoin, on the other hand, is capped at 21 million coins, meaning no one can just print more when times get tough. That's why it's the perfect protection against inflation. And here's some big news to back all this up. President Trump just signed an executive order officially creating a strategic Bitcoin reserve. The US government will now hold about 200,000 Bitcoin seized from criminals, and this is the important part, they're not allowed to sell it. They're even considering mining more Bitcoin themselves, without costing taxpayers a single dime. This is huge. It means Bitcoin is now officially recognized as something valuable enough for the government to hold long term, like digital gold. Trump also created something called the Digital Asset Stockpile for altcoins. They haven't announced exactly which coins they're holding yet, maybe XRP, Cardano, Ethereum, Solana, but the idea is clear. Crypto is here to stay. Now, some people were confused why Bitcoin's price dropped after such massive news, but honestly, markets already priced this news in. It's classic buy the rumor, sell the news. Traders got hyped beforehand, and when the announcement finally came, they sold off. But long term, having the US government officially backing Bitcoin and potentially other cryptos, that's insanely bullish. So yes, short term there might be more bumps ahead, maybe even another quick downturn, but long-term fundamentals just got even stronger. And like Mark Yusko said, when the government inevitably floods the market with cash again, Bitcoin and crypto are positioned perfectly to benefit. But what do you think about all this? Are we heading for a quick recession, or is this just the market overreacting? Drop your thoughts down below, and if you found value in this update, smash that like button and subscribe. Catch you in the next one.